Welcome to Exact Training. This lesson is on the Recall Manager from the Inventory Control module. We will learn what the Recall Manager is and how to create a recall. Let's get started. The Recall Manager allows customers to track, manage, and execute recalls for defective or damaged products during any stage of the production cycle. Recall Manager is powered by a query engine that performs where used queries on lot and serial tracking information and on transaction history for parts not under lot or serial control to generate all possible designations of recalled parts. Recall Manager does not require any separately maintained linking data. However, if linked as-built data is available, it will be used to define the results. Recall Manager then stores the details for reporting and execution of the recall. Let's take a look. Begin in the System Manager and choose the Materials tab. Select the module for Inventory Control. From there, choose the Activity menu, and from the list, choose Recall Manager. And the Recall Manager will open. We can then enter the part that we would like to do a recall on. In the Supply Orders field, you can determine if you want to see all the orders that the part was received on, or select only a range or individual supply order. The Date section allows you to narrow the range down even farther. Enter a start and end date, or click the All box to see all dates. In the same way, you may enter lot information if you wish, and any serial number information if known. Recall Manager can pull up transactions for part IDs not associated with lot numbers or serial numbers from your specified start date to the end of the specified cutoff dates. You can also choose to include costs and current customer addresses in your query. After you have entered all your selections, click the Query button to see the results. We can now see several records for this query. In this example, we can see that part 12150 in rows 2 and 3 is being used on the floor by shop orders as shown in the shop order box, and that on row 2 it was included in the build for parent serial number 31. We then see the parent part 11050, serial 31, on row 1, and that it was shipped to a customer under the shown sales order number. The Status field shows where the part is located. Stock equals in inventory, floor equals on the production floor in a shop order build, recall means that it has been shipped out to a customer. We can see the customer information that it was shipped to as well. Once finished with the information, click the Save button to save this recall. We can now provide more information regarding this recall. Name the recall here. The Criteria field will show the selection criteria that was used to create the recall. In the Comments field, you can add any comments you would like regarding this recall, and set the status of the recall here. In this area, set the recall date and later the closure date once you are finished with all the recall activity. In the Attachments section, you can attach any documentation to support the recall. Clicking Attachment opens this browser where you will select your document. Once finished, click the Save button, and your recall has been created. In review, we have learned about the Recall Manager and how to create a recall. Thank you from Exact Training.